Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best telescopes, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ Telescope. Explore the cosmos with the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ Telescope. This 114mm Newtonian reflector with high reflectivity coatings delivers stunning views of the Moon, planets like Jupiter, and deep sky gems like the Orion Nebula. Its patented StarSense technology pairs with your smartphone, using the StarSense Explorer app to guide you to stars, planets, and galaxies via on-screen arrows. No experience needed. The app curates the best targets based on your location and time. With a manual altazimuth mount and smooth altitude adjustment, this 24-inch optical tube ensures precise tracking. Battery-powered and easy to set up, it's perfect for beginners and experts. Backed by Celestron's 2-year U.S. warranty and expert support, stargazing has never been easier. Number 2. HugerStar 90mm 800mm Refractor Telescope. Embark on a cosmic adventure with the HugerStar 90mm 800mm Refractor Telescope. Its 90mm aperture and 800mm focal length, f/8.89, deliver crisp, bright views of the Moon, stars, and planets, enhanced by fully multi-coated Kellner lenses for stunning clarity. With 2 eyepieces, 10mm, 25mm, and a 3x Barlow lens, enjoy 32x, 240x magnification, perfect for detailed celestial observations. The 5x24 finder scope simplifies locating objects, while the adjustable stainless steel tripod, 28.5-inch, 45, ensures stability for all users. A phone adapter and moon filter make capturing and sharing images easy. Lightweight with a carry bag, this beginner-friendly telescope is ideal for adults and kids, backed by 24/7 support for seamless stargazing. Number 3. MESA 90mm 800mm Refractor Telescope. Discover the universe with the MESA 90mm 800mm Refractor Telescope. Its 90mm aperture and 800mm focal length, f/8.88, deliver sharp, vibrant views of the Moon, planets, and deep sky objects, enhanced by fully multi-coated Kellner lenses. With 2 eyepieces, 10mm, 25mm, and a 3x Barlow lens, enjoy 32x, 240x magnification for detailed observations. The straight-through finder scope simplifies targeting, while the adjustable stainless steel tripod, 28.5-inch, 45, ensures stability across various angles. A smartphone adapter lets you capture and share cosmic images effortlessly. Easy to assemble with included guidelines, this 32-inch by 6-inch by 10.24-inch telescope comes with a carry bag for portability. Perfect for beginners and adults, MESA offers 24/7 support for your stargazing journey. Number 4. Blue Marble Lunar Telescope. The Blue Marble Lunar Telescope is the perfect beginner's tool for young explorers eager to discover the Moon. Designed with kids in mind, this telescope features high-quality optical glass and both low and high-power eyepieces, making it easy to spot and zoom in on lunar details. A built-in finder scope helps with quick targeting, while the smooth equatorial mount allows effortless movement across the Moon's surface. It comes with a stable tabletop tripod and requires no power, just curiosity and a love for space. Ideal for children and parents to explore together, it's a hands-on educational gift that inspires wonder and scientific learning. Backed by exceptional service, this lunar telescope is a great way to introduce astronomy to the next generation. Number 5. Tianfan 150 EQ Reflector Telescope. Explore the wonders of the night sky with the Tianfan 150 EQ Reflector Telescope. Featuring a large 150mm aperture and 650mm focal length, this powerful telescope captures crisp, detailed images of celestial bodies. The pre-assembled German equatorial mount with slow-motion cables offers smooth tracking for beginners and seasoned stargazers alike. Fully equipped with two Plössl eyepieces, a 2x Barlow lens, a red dot finder scope, and a moon filter, it delivers magnification from 26x to 130x. The sturdy stainless steel tripod ensures stable viewing, while the included phone adapter makes sharing your discoveries easy. Whether you're observing planets, stars, or landscapes, Jianfan delivers clarity, convenience, and quality. Backed by reliable customer support for a worry-free astronomy experience.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.